2, 3, 4, 5, game!
Ikaw naman kasi hindi ka pa nag-over.
Yung tago ka. Hindi, joke lang.
Huwag naman ako.
Hindi, sige, rahan lang. This is the zombie game.
Bakit nandito sila?
Oh shit, he got hit. Ed, remember Chris is a zombie, huh?
Just say na. You don't like accepting flowers. Or, and you don't want to give meaning to it. No, just tell him like straight up. Like, Alan,
Run, boy, run.
nice. Or what are you trying to do? Like, ask him, like, what is that?
Ray, Chris is a zombie, huh?
Alam? Oh!
Ray, Chris is your teammate.
But still, of course. Hindi mo pa rin mapigilan yung nasisip.
Ray, that's Chris, your teammate.
Diba? You can't stop. Unless you really like stop. Like parang talagang cold.
Okay, Ed's dead.